Welcome to the factory where Coca-Cola begins its journey from simple ingredients to a global icon. Every day, tons of ingredients arrive to begin the process.
Back it up, keep coming. Little to the left, now straighten out. All right, stop there, perfect.
Production continues around the clock. Each ingredient is verified against strict delivery records. Sugar, flavor bases, and carbonation materials are essential to Coca-Cola's famous taste. Raw materials are ready. The production process begins. Ingredients begin their journey through the manufacturing process.
Next one coming, got it. Passing to you, ready. Last one, on the belt.
Before production begins, every ingredient undergoes strict quality inspection. Even microscopic impurities must be detected and removed. High-quality sugar forms the sweet foundation of Coca-Cola. The journey of Coca-Cola begins with its essential ingredients. High-speed sorting machines remove any material that fails quality standards. Precision measurements ensure perfect flavor consistency in every batch. Real-time systems track every shipment entering the plant. Millions of bottles pass through facilities like this daily. Purified water is the largest ingredient in Coca-Cola. Precision inspection guarantees perfect raw ingredients. Continuous monitoring keeps the process flawless. The facility stores enough ingredients to produce millions of bottles. Organization and logistics are critical at this scale. Every ingredient is tracked digitally for complete traceability. Maintaining precise temperatures ensures consistent quality. Samples are taken from every batch for testing. Advanced scanners detect any foreign materials instantly. Any ingredient failing inspection is removed immediately. Automated conveyors move materials to the next stage of production. Flavor concentrates are stored carefully to preserve their quality. Precise temperature control is essential for the next stage. The syrup base is ready for transformation. With ingredients prepared, the mixing process begins. The prepared ingredients now move into the mixing stage. Preparation is complete and production is ready to begin. Supporting ingredients are prepared in exact quantities. Digital systems monitor every stage of the mixing process. Equipment is calibrated frequently for absolute accuracy. The signature Coca-Cola flavor is carefully blended into the syrup. Exact ingredient ratios ensure the signature Coca-Cola taste. Massive mixers blend ingredients into a perfectly uniform syrup. Skilled technicians constantly monitor the equipment. The mixture begins transforming into the iconic Coca-Cola base. Automated pipelines transport the syrup across the facility. Pressure and flow must remain perfectly balanced. Once mixed, the syrup moves to the next critical stage. Powerful pumps keep production moving continuously. The sugar syrup forms the foundation of Coca-Cola's flavor base. Sugar is dissolved to create the syrup base. Filtration ensures a smooth and pure syrup mixture. Advanced software ensures consistent production every time. At this scale, thousands of liters of syrup are prepared every hour. Temperature control preserves the perfect mixture. The next step introduces carbonation, the sparkle of Coca-Cola. Carbon dioxide creates the drink's famous fizz. Tiny bubbles bring Coca-Cola to life. The signature sparkle begins to form. Chemical balance ensures the classic flavor profile.
The Coca-Cola mixture is now ready for bottling.
While the drink is prepared, the packaging process begins. Each bottle begins as a tiny plastic preform. Automated feeders prepare thousands of bottles every minute. Each batch is sampled to confirm flavor accuracy. Seal integrity is tested instantly. The softened plastic is now ready to expand. High-pressure air inflates the plastic into its iconic shape. The bottle takes its final form. Some facilities also produce traditional glass bottles. Molten glass is molded into the famous contour bottle. Heat softens the plastic so it can be shaped into bottles. Ultraviolet light ensures sterile packaging. Advanced sensors inspect every bottle instantly. Any flawed container is removed automatically. Bottles are thoroughly cleaned before use. Bottles are automatically grouped into retail packs. Robotics ensure perfect alignment for packaging. Cooling stabilizes the bottle structure. In seconds, a tiny tube becomes a full bottle. Each bottle is sealed airtight to preserve freshness. The production line continues without pause. Temperature must remain within strict limits. A short stabilization period ensures perfect presentation. Internal pressure must match precise standards. The final visual identity is ready to be applied. Each bottle receives the world-famous brand. Now fully formed and labeled, the drink is ready for packaging. Caps are delivered automatically to the sealing machines. Once labeled, the bottles move to the packaging section. Protective wrapping prepares bottles for transport. The bottles are sealed into tight multi-packs. Heat shrinks the film for a secure fit. The packaging becomes compact and durable. Automated vision systems inspect every package. Any imperfect pack is removed instantly. Experts also perform sensory quality checks. Packaging trays are formed instantly from flat sheets. Shipping cartons are formed in seconds. Each tray securely holds multiple bottles. Packs are organized neatly into shipping cases. Each carton is sealed for safe transport. Tracking codes identify every shipment. Each pallet is logged into a tracking system. Thousands of cartons leave the packaging line each hour. Pallets are assembled for shipping.
North region orders over here. Got the south boxes. Distributor XYZ next.
Automated conveyors route shipments efficiently. Each shipment is tagged for its final destination. The finished product is ready for distribution. After packaging, the cartons move to massive storage warehouses. Forklifts transport pallets across the warehouse floor. Pallets arrive continuously from the factory lines. Vertical storage maximizes warehouse capacity. The Coca-Cola brand is recognized worldwide. The journey to stores begins at the loading docks. Trucks are filled quickly to meet global demand. Proper stacking prevents damage during transport. Another shipment is ready to leave the factory. From here, the drink begins its journey to stores worldwide. Distribution networks carry Coca-Cola across the globe. The beverages arrive in cities around the world. The product reaches local stores and markets. Soon, the drink will reach the hands of consumers. And that's how Coca-Cola is made.